When you get out into the real world, you want to use some sort of IDE using some sort of terminal or some sort of other executing function. But the real world does not rely on notebooks. There's the old saying, and the old saying is still true, you can't deploy a notebook. Okay? So we are not going to use Google Colab or Anaconda or anything else. We are going to be using VS Code and then executing that code via a terminal. That is how you do professional development in Python in the real world. When you get out there, you're going to be working, you're going to be working with a lot more complex code. You're going to be working in distributed environments, a lot of different things, right? Where notebooks just don't cut it anymore. You might still use them to kind of like, as a scratch pad, and, just test some ideas on your own. But professional data science is being done in an IDE that's then executed within your own terminal, within some sort of other, Python environment.